When we look at toilets in school, we just look at them as toilets, but you're not looking at it from a point of view from a person who is menstruator. When she walks into the toilet and has no running water, has no place to wash her absorbent or even dispose her absorbent, is very, very challenging. It's not enough just to have an infrastructure, but to also provide the other important necessary amenities. So my journey actually began with the creation of Project Sakhi, a Ray of Hope, which was launched by the district administration of Sibsagar in collaboration with ONGCL. This was a collaborative program of UNICEF. We also had very motivated seniors and specialists at the UNICEF. Almost a year into the project, we touched more than 40,000 adolescents, 500 community members, and 100 Gaon Panchayats. So the content is basically divided into 4 to 5 aspects. The first is the biological aspect, which includes the menstrual cycle, the menstrual phases, and how menstruation occurs. The second component is safe sanitary absorbents. Third component is on disposal. How can we use those absorbents and how we need to dispose them to make it more sustainable and eco-friendly. Fourth component is focusing on nutrition and physical activities during menstruation. Fifth component is on breaking social taboos, and Menstrupedia has really been very helpful in sessions where we are reading from Menstrupedia and having conversations about such topics. This is something amazing which we can use as an icebreaker. Tools like Menstrupedia have been very, very crucial for us. It's not just about women, it's also about the men. I think has a huge result to say in itself. Because we've not only included the adolescent boys from these clubs and the schools, but we've also included male moderators. We've trained them as master trainers. Project Sakhi, Dibrugarh chapter, which is another district here in Assam. And here we worked in 23 girls' schools in the first year. And then we went on to 10 more schools. Directly in schools, we impacted around 25,000 girls. And outside that, go up to 75 to 80,000 community members.